So now we are in the McLaren 675 LT again, and let's see if we can't blow our engine up. Ready? This is it. I could feel my brain going to the back of my head. So, I don't know if you lovely people at home remember, but the last time I was here with my pal Freddie, things escalated quickly. They did, didn't they? I think something's fallen off. I think something fell off, yeah. So that's not good. And although I kind of feel like I should take some of the blame, I wasn't even driving. I was in the passenger seat. No, but I think your aura. My aura. It was too much for the engine to take. And actually, the engine on my car exploded in large fashion. But I have rebuilt it. It's built better. I like it. There's more power. And now I think we can give it a proper shakedown run. It's actually dry. It's running right now. It's been running for a while. Yeah, it's nice and warm. So it's nice and warm. All the fluids and everything. And we're not going to hit it right away. We're just going to make sure that it goes leisurely drive. Leisurely drive. That's right. Yeah, let's do it. Come on. So guys, this car to me is everything you'd ever imagine. Look, you've got a green one over here, blue one here, but the color, the material, the paint fleck, until you see this car in real life, it doesn't really set in how amazing it truly is. Look at the interior. It is absolutely stunning. It's gonna mind my Ugg boots. This is not that comfortable to get into. Nope, it's not. Well, you guys can stay down there. Most people would pay for the privilege of being in that zone. Oh. Right, we've got electric rear windows. We're in a proper luxury supercar. So how is it? Are you enjoying it more? Does it feel any different to you? I know you've put quite a lot of money into it and making the engine better, and the guys at Cannonball Garage helped you out quite a bit, right? Yes, so Cannonball Garage, they built the engine, and you know, we put it on a dyno. We got the old engine out, built a new 4-liter, and then put it on the dyno within the span of 1 week, and then we took it to Jay Leno's garage, so that was fun. And the photos of that are unbelievable. Yeah. Very Nick Williams-esque. You know? Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. So we got. So let's go, shall we? Slowly catch your monkey. Yeah, we got it in sport, super duper mode. No, it's just in sport, and let's put it in automatic. So it's just. I've got deja vu right now. It's just that roar of the vibration coming through you, that kind of feeling of, you still got that driver's feeling in this car, you know? Absolutely, and you hear the roof scoop. Oh wow! That's amazing. So you're going to hear the air actually being dragged through the roof scoop. Was that here before? Yeah. It was here. Oh, it scares me. This bit of road is infamous because this little bit here we right here is right here blew up. Yeah. So we've done further mileage on this road test so far. This car is so special. I mean, so we have all the temperatures and pressures up to yep. Just so everyone at home can see, you can see oil pressure in the middle, water in the middle, fuel also in the middle. Yeah. But this car, this was like a big deal for you building this car. I mean, you've made it so personal, but I'm a little bit funny with stitching and lines in stitching, but it's flawless, you know, like I like it a lot. The interior was done by E3 Customs, and they did a fantastic job. Yeah, it was all custom made with the you know, the blue carbon fiber tint, and yeah. It's even got like a metallic edge into it as well. It's fantastic. And the Alcantara on top of the Speedos, and this is the furthest I've ever been in a McLaren. This is the second supercar I've properly been in. I went in Ed's Murcielago, the Batmobile one with the roof off, and this one. So, you know, for my opinion, these are only 50% reliable up until this road test. Okay. So, wow, that noise of the air is. I mean, that power and the transfer is so nice, and the manual mode you've got there of being able to change gear, it's instantaneous. There's no lag in the change, right? Okay, so we can see So now we are in the McLaren 675 LT again, and let's see if we can't blow our engine up.
Shit it out! Oh, and the engine didn't escape the car this time.
No, it didn't.
Oh, this is the road that scared us last time. Ready? This is it. Oh, I could feel my brain going to the back of my head. Wow. That is something else, man.
Engine's still together.
Yeah, we did. It was. I'm not a bad omen after all. Not in this car anymore, anyway. We are now friends. Ugh. It's so nice to be in something so wow. You know, you're in a car here which is like a prestige supercar. You still have all those creature comforts of a comfy chair, air conditioning, pistons not escaping the block.
Yeah.
Like, you know, those small things that
stuff that people take for granted, you know? Wow, we got some wheel spin.
We definitely, I could hear it. Your left-hand rear was like...
That was about half throttle, by the way.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
My God. I tell you what, for me, one of the funnest experiences of this car has got to be that roof scoop. You really get that feeling of the mechanics of the vehicle and how much air this vehicle takes in when you're driving it. Oh, and even when you back up, you get that come through. Oh my God. That is something special, man. Thank you so much. I'm so glad that I wasn't like the bad luck person that like every time I go out with you can damage your car. But yeah, I'm struggling to breathe now. Wow.
It's fun, isn't it?
Fun is an understatement. It is a smile machine, right? Oh, thank you so much, man.
All right, good car.
Yeah, great car. So my success rate is now 66% of supercars are reliable.
Awesome, man.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Appreciate
much,
you, bro.
Yeah.
And so what you got coming up? So we got SEMA in a month, right? And you know, in my next video, I'm going to show everyone just where you're at. And he's nowhere. He's not anywhere.
Yeah, it's quite a bit of work that I need to do.
It's going to escalate quickly, and you know, if you need me to fly in and put some days in and sleep on the shop floor, I'm here for you, man.
Let's do it.
So right, thanks to Freddie. Go check him out. Obviously, you already know who he is. I'm just going to shut my mouth, but let's get out. Let someone else have a fun. See you soon, guys.
All right, see ya.
So there we have it. Finally, I got to go out in the McLaren, and as you can see, it is truly remarkable, and it's dazzling. In the sunshine, the brakes, the wheels, the engine, the carbon fiber roof, the driver, everything about this car and its owner has made this experience amazing to me. Oh my God, even the weave in the carbon fiber is so pretty and lined up. It's amazing. It's been another amazing experience here with Freddie at Tavarishs. Thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button. If there's a comment below you want to throw in there, throw it in. It makes me be better in the future. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Quick reminder, hit that subscribe button, the like button, and then the bell button, so you get alerts when we release new episodes, and follow us on social media too for extra stuff and more alerts about videos we're releasing, which at the moment is every Sunday and the odd Wednesday too. Bye for now.